What's up, friends? Dustin here, and check out what I just purchased. This was the cheapest running and driving four-wheel drive pickup on Facebook. Yeah, she's a sweetie, guys. What we have here is a 1993 Chevy Cheyenne work truck 1500. Now this is four-wheel drive, 4.3 liter V6, automatic transmission. Look at that interior. Only has 198,000 miles on it. Runs and drives. Doesn't have any paint. It's a retired county vehicle, it looks like, or city vehicle. Just do some paving. Now it's got some quirks to it. I mean, these old Chevys, the door pins were out in them, and you can see the alignment issue here. Yeah, that doesn't align at all. So when you try to shut the door, it doesn't shut. So you gotta come down here. You gotta flip that down. All right. Yeah. Now this takes a little bit of work. Let me show you here. The door is real loose. You know, door pins are completely worn out. So you have to pick the door up to close it. Really just shove her. Oh, no, it didn't work. It didn't work again. So, pick the door up, close it. You really shove it. That's nice and secure. Look at this thing. 500 bucks. Look at the tread on these tires. Now it's a little rough around the edges, but we're talking a running and driving four-wheel drive pickup, guys. Let's fire her up. Oh, hers. $198,000. Oh yeah. It's got a radio. No air conditioning. I was told the heat works. Let's check out on the hood real quick. Oh yeah. There's the powerhouse right there. Not even knocking. Why did I buy this, you might ask? Well, hauling trash and lumber around and stuff. It's kind of nice to just have a beater truck where you can toss a bunch of rocks, random junk, plywood, haul your trash into town, you know, not have to worry about it. Don't gotta worry about scratching the paint. Basically none of that left. Came with a toolbox. The toolbox and the tires are probably worth what I paid for the dang thing. Yeah, everything works on it. Now it does have a couple extra things. This seat here, that's a little worn out. That's fine. Just put some foam in there, some duct tape, maybe put a seat cover on it. It's got a cup holder. My favorite accessory though is the built-in floor drains. You pull that back and yeah, I didn't see that when I bought it. No big deal. It's a little rusty. It spent some time as a snow plow, so people probably had salt on their boots from salting sidewalks. So that's kind of an issue with that. Getting in's a little harder because the door pins. You know, you just kind of get that lined up there, and then you try to pick it up. And yep, that didn't work. That didn't work. That didn't work again. Yeah, we'll just hold the door closed. That's how we're gonna do that. We'll just hold on to it like this. Most people drive like this anyway, right? Now this does cause a problem as I'm trying to film and hold the door closed, so I can't drive the truck. Well, I guess I'm driving, I can't steer the truck. So we'll just be careful and hopefully the door doesn't come undone. No, there he goes. Yeah. It's gone wrong. It's gone wrong. We're good. We're good. We're fine. Everything's good. Left-handed turns only. Now, you might be asking, Sure, it might be a running and driving truck with a slightly loose driver door. All right, let's find out. Sounds pretty strong, huh? All right, ready? Let's go. Oh yeah, there it is, 20 miles an hour. Whew. Did you see that, guys? We hit 31 miles an hour. Yep, door came open. No big deal. It's going well. That is a loaded high-speed run, guys. Don't forget, we got rocks and plywood in the back of this truck. Sounds meaty. No, they didn't come this way from the factory. That's because the muffler's rusted off of it. Don't mind the rattles. Trucks rattle. That's what makes them trucks. Oh, God. Ah. She's a bona fide ripper, guys. Yep, there's that door. Look at that. All the gauges work. It's got some oil pressure. It's not overheating. Got some voltage and hopefully a full tank of fuel. These trucks are great. Don't mind the rust on the roof. Like I said, there's basically no paint left on it anywhere. Look at that. Durable plastic grill. Now when these things came out, GM was crazy about these new grills in the Cheyenne. They had commercials hitting them with hammers and stuff, watching them bounce off. Look, they've held up pretty good. They've held up better than the rest of the truck, really. Got a little rusty, you know, no big deal. Don't worry about it. It's got some various leaks around the doors and stuff. That's normal. It's spent its life as a snowplow. It's fine. Really, it's fine, guys. Anyway, you know, this thing's gonna be great for a shop truck. We're gonna tow some stuff around with it. You know, load up the bed with junk and whatever else we need to move around. It's just good running around, beating up truck. For 500 bucks, you can't lose. So this was the absolute cheapest running and driving four-wheel drive pickup I could find on our local Facebook, and I scoured a long time looking everywhere. So this is what we ended up with. Anyway, just wanted to give you guys a little look into our new shop truck and gonna see some more junk that I keep buying. So there it is, our 1993 Chevy Cheyenne 1500 work truck. Thank you guys for watching this quick little episode. God bless you. We'll see you next time. All right, guys. Well, I lied to you. This episode's not over. Trying to drive the truck home, and it started downpouring. Oh, it's bad. It's raining like crazy. I don't know if you can see this, but it's wet inside. All along the windshield is dripping on the inside. The wipers worked fine yesterday when it was dry. Now, nothing. So it's raining inside the truck. There's water everywhere. I gotta have the window cracked to keep the steam down because I got hot pizza in the truck and it's steaming up the windows. This doesn't have an air conditioner or anything, so it doesn't really pull the humidity out of here very well. I got the defroster on high, you can probably hear it, but it's man, it's totally sketchy. Everything's fogged up and wet. On the plus side, the headlights work, so at least people can see me coming when I crash into them. Ah, man, this is awful. Anyway, thought I'd share that little experience in the old work truck with you. It's loud, it's damp, and fairly dangerous. Door's latched right now, so that's a plus. I got about another 20 minutes of driving to get home. I'm hoping some speed's gonna keep the water off the windshield. Yeah, we'll see how that goes. Anyway, now the episode's over. Thank you guys so much for watching.